Hi guys, just checking something here. This is the door latch on the left side, driver's side. Seems to be working okay. I guess I can lock it that way and pull to open. But on the other side, it's difficult to lock it actually. It slides inwards. Not quite sure. I can open the door. I can't quite lock it. So I was thinking to open it up and see what's inside. I'm not sure actually how to open that. I can't quite see that. But if you guys have any clue how to open such a door panel, or just this part maybe, let me know.